Check out this gorgeous 67 Nova. It's got connecting cruise 376 for L70. These connecting cruises, some things that need to be addressed with it out of the box. A lot of this is adjusting it to the customer. Some customers like to have really snappy throttle response, some like to have it more drive like a Cadillac, some like a very firm shift feel, some people want it to just cruise and shift like stock. That's what a lot of this stuff is, on top of course dialing in the tune, getting it to idle and drive and start the way it's supposed to. Alright, so I was gonna do a pre-tuned dyno pull, just as baseline as we normally do, but fuel trims are so far off the chart right now. Let's see what the DynoJet wideband says. Okay, so it is in fact pretty lean. So we're not even going to do a pull. I don't feel comfortable doing a pull. So we're just going to get right to adjusting the tune. Looks like we have a drive shaft. Well, yep. That didn't last long. At least it looks like it's just the drive shaft. Got the exhaust a little bit, but look like the drive shaft just either broke in the center or there's a pinion angle issue. Let me check that drive shaft again. It looks like it might have been some kind of conversion. No, but that could be a few things. That could be pinion angle. Yeah, have to check that pinion angle there. Pinion almost looks like it's down relative to the transmission right here. So I imagine letting off had it turn a little bit and put some stress on the center of the drive shaft, and it came apart. All right. Once again, that's why we test these on the dyno. All right, and on that pull, it was 370 horse, 353 foot-pounds, so nothing real crazy. And let's see where we were on speed. Just over 130. Not real crazy. Yeah, to me it appears that it is the pinion angle. Oh, that was a little exciting. Could have been the old drive shaft that was in there. There could have been some damage to it, or a pinion angle. We didn't actually get to measure it. Customer came, picked it up, going back to the driveline shop. They're going to build a new drive shaft for it. He's going to get it back here, and then we can finish up some of the little transmission adjustments and stuff like that. But yeah, a little unnerving when driveline components come apart. Luckily, it did happen on the dyno and not on the highway, because that can easily turn into a very, very bad day. Put your car into the ditch, into another car, into traffic. So it's good that we found that weak point here so we can get it addressed, so we can have a safer car once it's all said and done. So now we're on to the next one.